In a world with ever-eminent presence of unhoming, we ask ourselves, what does it mean to create a home afar from home for those of us who carry a hybrid identity as diasporic women? So somehow the exhibition HOMEPLACE first and foremost pays tribute to and also references African rituals and spatial histories.
We say that the HOMEPLACE is not fixed in state, in scale, in time. We construct belonging with the things that we take with us, the things that we use to celebrate, the things we use to welcome, the things we use to heal. And so all of these uniquely designed beads all consist of a merging of two of these everyday objects. For example, this bead is consisting of a fufu stomper that is repeated 3 times and an afro comb. So with this installation occupying the ground floor, we also wanted to invite visitors to come together to exchange about experiences they've made, but also about what home means to them.
We were really inspired by the circular form of the Rotunda in creating that gathering, or what you would call imbizo in isiZulu, that happens typically in the open air. The imbizo holds significance, particularly in terms of its social and political dimensions in many African societies. When you come together to share knowledge, there is something quite special about forming a sense of belonging. And so we thought that the imbizo holds that knowledge, and it also inspired us to create this catalogue or this newspaper that would then also allow you to sit with that knowledge for longer. This also translates into the soundscape that you're encouraged to listen to in the center of that circular gathering.
The soundscape represents situated voices from women in the diaspora, from the Americas to Europe to the African continent, in which they offer a selection of loud reads that again speaks to this idea of constructing home, but also finding commonalities across these different geographies.
What really brings us together is this deep desire to think about how we see ourselves in the world. Matri Architecture is an intersectional collective of many spatial practitioners. At the moment, we're a group of 19, and in the HOMEPLACE, a love letter project, we are a team of 5. That includes myself. My name is Khensani Jurczok-de Klerk, Abdé Batchati, Margarida Waco, Afana de Jong, and Aisha Mugo.